Good afternoon, everyone. So our group is required to propose a suitable IT project for the Ministry of Health, and today we are going to present our proposal. We are going to propose a system which is called Medical Management System. So our team name is called We Care for You, and the team members included is me, Beh He-Hong, Kek Kai Ting, and Ahmad Fadhil, and these are all the informations about us. About skills and knowledge, as you can see, these are all the skills and knowledge of each of one of us. Agreed upon meeting times. We decided to have meetings every Friday because all the members are only free during this day because we have classes from like Sunday to Thursday. And our meeting duration won't take much long, just around 30 minutes. And our meetings will be always held using Cisco WebEx meetings. And during the meeting, everyone is required to present their progress on the report. And this is the time that we usually have our meetings, which is at Friday, 8:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Agreed upon meeting locations. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic recently, most of us are encouraged to stay at home unless we need to use the university facilities for our projects. Therefore, our team, because we doesn't stay in the same place, so it's quite difficult for us to meet up and have a meeting face to face. So we decided to use WebEx to have our meetings most like every time. Okay, next. Team communications. Oh, so in spite our team members are all staying, most of our team members are staying at our own hometown. So we mainly use WhatsApp and Cisco WebEx meetings to share information with one another. And if a member is unable to deliver as promised, they should advise the group in advance so that alternate arrangements can be made. So I will pass to the next presenter.
So now I'm going to present about the roles and responsibility of our team member. So we totally have 4 roles in our project, which are the project manager, business analyst, software and hardware specialist, and also the technical expert. Okay, so let me talk the responsibility of the project manager first. So his responsibility is to define the project scope and determine the available resources, organizing and motivating a project team, controlling time management, cost estimating and developing the budget, ensuring customer certifications, analyzing and managing the project risk, and also the managing the reports and necessary documentation. So the next role is the business analyst. She need to creating a detailed business analysis, outlining problems, opportunities, and solution for business. Besides that, she also need to directing the team members, forecasting budgets, helping team members with the problem, planning the project scope, understanding and also the implementing requirements of project, identifying resources required for the project, and so on. Moreover, he and she need to gather and document the technical and business requirements from the business units, test solutions to ensure the project validates the project objective. So next is the hardware and the software specialist. So she need to find out what clients want and the most efficient way to achieve them. Talking through requirements with the clients, maintaining a system once they are up and running, integrate the software components and also producing efficient codes and writing program codes for the reference and reporting. So the last role of our team is the technical expert. He need to evaluating the technical problems, providing client support for program and applications, training clients and staff in best practices, applications and programs, finding ways to increase the productivity and reduce the expenses, and the last is developing applications design and web pages. Okay, so next I'm going to explain about our team goals. So we totally have 3 team goals in our team. The first one is improve efficiencies. Second one is generate ideas, and the third is play good role. So what is improve efficiencies? So our project manager should have the responsibility to guide the project team to complete the project on expected time and improve the productivity of the team. So we need to work efficiently through gathering together, through the Cisco WebEx and set a goal to submit our project in advance of the due date. So generous idea is means that we should work in a team, not individually. So therefore, we need to generate idea as a team to allow us have different perspective to contribute to solve a problem, and also create an environment for discussions that can lead to more detailed goals. So for the last is play good role. So means that each team member should play their own role very well while handling their own project tasks. So therefore, each team member, so we should have training to increase our professional skills and knowledge to achieve the team goals. Besides that, we also need to do a research of a competitor to create a comprehensive overview on how the competitor has set things up could be immersed variable to the project teams. So that's all for me. I'll pass to my next team member.
Okay, good day everyone. I'll continue the presentation with team values and team code of ethic. So the first team value is discipline. We have the quality of being able to behave and work in a controlled way, which involves obeying particular rules and or standards. And we are punctual and diligent at the same time. Next, we have innovation. We always seek for new ideas, methods, or device in order to improve on how we do things in a more creative way. We embrace the changes with the aim of improving efficiency, effectiveness, or competitive advantage. Next, we have respect. We have consideration for our team members' wants, needs, feelings, and value their skills, abilities, and knowledge. We always acknowledge the individual strength of our team members. The fourth is flexibility. We are ready to change if circumstances change. We are open-minded to adapt to our clients' needs and provide customized service for them. And the last is collaboration. We share our skills and information to our team in order for the project to be a success. We value our team success over individual accomplishments. I'll continue with team code of ethics. The first is be inclusive. We receive people from different genders, cultural backgrounds, and religions with open arms. The second is be brave. We have the courage to try something new and have the ability to adapt to the situations. Our team members are also not shy to share any good ideas in the meeting. The third is be considerate. Our team members will always put themselves in other people's shoes before making a decision. We think twice before doing anything. Fourth, make differences into strengths. We respect and appreciate everyone's difference, no matter their background or their skills. Different specialties in everyone makes the project a success. Last but not least, be respectful. It's mandatory to respect everyone you interact with. Be kind, polite, and understanding. We must also respect other people's personal space, opinions, and privacy. Okay, now I will pass to my another group member.
Okay, for our part is set rule and expectation. So for the first rule is focus on the same goal. Each member must have the same goal to be one team in doing a project and will give full cooperation on the same page. So if you are having the problem, so if you don't have the same goal, you might have a problem like error in doing coding. So the second rule is share information secure and rapidly. Share information. So the member must be willing to share the information that they have split in their tool for the team to accomplish the team goal. Will have a lot of benefit for the performance of the entire team. So the third rule is establish a good communication. Communication is process to create teams that allow each of the team members really to speak up and share ideas. And the last rule is about punctual. Every team must have a schedule that is required by the team leader to submit the project before the deadlines. Every team member must come into a meeting punctually. Thus, having a great personality in managing time is a very crucial for each team member. And for the expectation is uh, every every team member should give full cooperation on doing the task that is ordered by the team leader. Uh, they also must respect with each other and be full of each other's responsibility. So that's all for our group. Thank you.